Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone. Today our group will be presenting a forum based on the industrial talk by Loy Tuan E, founder of FarmFresh Berhad. Alright, this forum will discuss how he grew FarmFresh through strategic entrepreneurship and ethical business practice. To start the forum, I would like to direct the first question to our first panelist, Arif.
Alright.
Could you explain briefly the background of Loy Tuan E and how FarmFresh began according to the video?
Okay. Based on the industrial talk, Roy Tuan E actually comes from a corporate background, specifically in the packaging industry. He had a good position and a stable income. However, at the age of 42, he made a major decision to leave his job and venture into agriculture, even though he had family responsibilities and financial commitments. In the beginning, FarmFresh did not focus solely on dairy. He experimented with various agricultural activities such as goat farming, fish farming, and crop cultivation. Many challenges arose due to lack of experience and inconsistent returns. Eventually, he realized that the dairy industry had great potential, especially since Malaysia relied heavily on imported milk. That's when FarmFresh decided to focus fully on producing fresh milk.
Alright, that's an interesting beginning. Now let's move on the next panelist to explore the company direction. Alright, our next panelist is Azam.
Yeah.
Alright, according to Loy Tuan E sharing in the video, what are the main vision, mission, and objective of FarmFresh?
Okay. Thank you, moderator. For the question, although Lloyd Wandy did not specifically talk or state about their vision and mission, we will know from their values and principles in his talk. The vision is the vision of Confresh is to become a top branded and top trusted producer of fresh dairy product, not only in Malaysia but internationally for top global product. For the missions, they will provide high quality product with a minimal processing while maintaining the ethical business practice and transparency to consumer. As for the objective, they aims to reduce the Malaysia dependence on import dairy product, to build a strong local brand, grow sustainably without compromising quality, and contribute to a rural economic development. This show that Farmfresh is not just aimed about the profits, but also a long-term profit.
Right, it's clear that value play a key role. However, every business faces challenge. Alright, we move to our next panelist, Harun.
Yes.
Alright, what are the main strategies used by FarmFresh to grow despite facing many challenges in the early stage?
Thank you, moderator. One of the main strategies is strategic pivot. Initially, FarmFresh tried various types of agriculture, but Lloyd realized that the lack of focus made growth difficult. So he made a strategic decision to focus entirely on the dairy industry. In addition, FarmFresh practiced ethical and consumer-oriented strategies. In the video, Lloyd mentioned that the company sometimes not increase the price even when the cost rise to protect the consumer. FarmFresh also grow through product diversification such as yogurt, plant-based drink, and baby formula, as well as expanding operation overseas to ensure consistent and supply and the quality. The combination of focus, ethic, growth strategies have FarmFresh extend steadily.
Alright, thank you, Harun. After seeing this success, the question arises, how can FarmFresh continue creating wealth in the future?
Okay, good question. For the question, we know from the talk that Confresh create wealth by focusing on trust, quality, and sustainable growth, not just a short-term profit. This show that how a big company like a Confresh can hold strong in the international industry also for the futures.
Alright, thank you Azam for the answer. We move to our next panelist, Fakri.
Yes.
Okay, what strategy would you suggest to enhance farm fresh web creation in the future?
Okay. Some strategies that could be considered include increasing product innovation, especially high-value products such as functional meat and specialized nutrition products. In addition, FarmFresh can strengthen digital transformation, including direct-to-consumer platforms and data-driven supply chain management to improve efficiency. FarmFresh also has the potential to expand more aggressively in Asian markets, where demand for quality dairy products is growing. These suggestions are suitable because FarmFresh has already consumer trust, a strong brand, and a good ethical reputation. Okay, thank you, Moderator.
Alright, as we conclude today's forum, let's hear a summary from our final panelists. Okay, Farhan, what is the main takeaway from this industrial talk?
Thank you, moderator. In conclusion, Lloyd 1E Industrial Talk demonstrate that strategies and ethical entrepreneurship can lead to long-term success. He proved that early failures are not obstacle but part of the learning process. Courage to take risks, making strategies, decision, and maintaining ethical values are key to farm success. The main lessons is that a successful business is not only about profit, but also about building trust, quality, and sustainability.
Alright, with that, our group forum presentation conclude. Thank you all for your attention.
Thank you.